Ever heard of the HSK? It's a Chinese proficiency test and its level 4 is usually a good benchmark for hiring purposes. The Domino method guarantees that you will get to HSK level 4 at least twice as fast as any university out there at only 10 hours a week. So what makes us so certain? Have you ever heard that Chinese was hard? Usually that's because your teacher presents you with a mishmash of disjointed situational knowledge. We scaffold the learning process so that each step builds upon and connects to the previous. That way, your learning is continuously reinforced. Here's an example. Today's word, say after me now, is 火山. 火山. It means volcano. Volcano. And now, train. Say after me again. 火车. 火车. Good. Now you write it down until you remember it. Okay. I write it down. This is how Chinese children learn and subsequently grow up to teach. Unfortunately, this traditional methodology fails to take advantage of the most beautiful aspect of Chinese. That is the inherent logic within the language structure. Fortunately, Chinese is extremely logical, so we at Domino work with building blocks instead. Here's how we teach it. Today, we're going to start off with some really useful building blocks so we make sure that you really understand what you're learning. First of all, this one. What do you think it looks like? Maybe a mountain? Excellent. Yes, it both means and sort of looks like a mountain, just like with the three peaks there. Now remember, Chinese characters are pictographic, meaning they are what they represent. So basically you can see the meaning in them. And this next character here, this one is fire. Can you see the flames and everything? And now this next one means vehicle. It's pretty hard to guess, but it sort of resembles a car, don't you think? Vehicle. And now that we finally have our pieces in the puzzle, let's start puzzle building. So what do you think about fire and a mountain? What do you think that would mean if we put them together? A fire mountain. Volcano. Yes, well done. Fire mountain means volcano. It looks like one as well, don't you think? Now how about fire plus vehicle instead? Fire vehicle. Fire truck? Good guess, could very well be. But this is something that's been around for a while. Train? Yes, makes a lot of sense when you think about it now. Fire plus vehicle, we get a train. Wonderful. So we've learned a lot of things in just a very short amount of time here. We've learned the building blocks like fire, mountain, vehicle. We put them together as well. We build more complex words like volcano and like a train as well. And in the next lesson, we'll go on and we'll give you some more building blocks. It won't be more complicated. We'll just have more to build with. So we'll get hand plus machine, and then that will be a phone, which you can probably imagine. And then we'll have fire plus a machine, and that will actually just be a lighter. Very exciting. By making sure the foundation is solid, we encourage our students to use common sense, logic to learn the language instead of conventional repetition. By understanding as opposed to memorizing something, it ensures our students learn and are able to use that knowledge in real-life situations. As you saw here, everything in Chinese is connected. It allows our students to develop a comprehensive understanding and launches them into an exponential learning curve. There's a reason why we chose Domino Chinese as our company name. We believe building blocks are essential to your learning. So if we're so good, why do some students choose other methodologies then instead? Well, the reason is that a lot of people are focused on immediate short-term results. While HSK1 will help you order a coffee, what really matters is the ability to develop personal and work relationship, which is HSK4, and that's our expertise. Teachers' adherence to tradition blinds them to the logical nature within the language that we choose to put in focus. Our methodology will put you on a faster pace to success, and that's why you should learn Chinese with us. Consequently, our students get to HSK4 twice as fast as any other school out there. That's our promise. With us, you'll learn the 4 essentials of a language through varied modes of practice, both at your own pace and in an online classroom setting.